Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for US30 and US100. Yesterday morning, the targets which I shared exactly 12 hours before US market, that we might see US30 below 35,000 and US100 might touch 15,000, both achieved perfectly. Now what is going to happen? Today we are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, and tomorrow onwards I will be again delivering the same two videos, one for global markets, US30, US100, UK100, Germany 40, Nifty and gold and silver. Do watch that video. That sets the tone for the day, and obviously one before the cash market. So let's start the analysis with US100. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's have a look at the charts for US100, and this is a daily chart. You can clearly see that this is a flat opening, flat bottom it has got, and it has got all the probability that only below, if it breaks this zone at 15,000, once it breaks 15,000, rather I will say 4990, once it breaks 4990 zone, definitely there will be a good break which will try to take it towards this zone at 14,900, 14,800. Why I am saying so? See, first thing is it has got its it has got its consolidation levels at around 15,600. At the same time, it has failed to go past the high at around 15,200. So I will say rather 15,230. Once 15,230 is taken today, probably it will try to again go past 15,400 plus levels. So we have got our noted zone almost between 15,000 to 15,230 levels, rather 14,990 to 15,230 levels. What will happen in between these levels? Let's have a look at the further minor time frame. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you can see that previous candle has got its low, higher highs, lower lows. Now the high is at around 15,220 levels. So once it breaks 15,230, that is why I say once it breaks 15,230, probably we will be again looking forward to 15,320 and 15,400 levels on the cards on US100. At the same time, till the time it remains below 15,200, the bottom, how far is the low? The low is again at around 15,000. So for this candle on the 4-hour charts, between 15,230 and 15,000, we have to be very cautious. Now let's have a look at another time frame. On 3-hour charts, you can see this drop, retracement 3 candles, drop, retracement 4 candles. Now the high at around 15,230, same with this channel, the low at around 15,100. Now we have we have reduced our range now 15,100. Once it's taken below 15,100, rather I will say 15,080, it will try to hit again 15,000 levels, and once 15,000 is taken, it will probably drop significantly, probably giving multiple second or 2 or 3 red candles, which will try to take it towards 14,800, 900. At the same time, once 15,230 is taken, it will try to lend again towards 15,320 levels, and in fact it can rise beyond also. So now the range is reduced between 15,220 to 15,080, maybe these 150 points. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also, this drop, minor retracement, this is almost 50% retracement here, and now trying to take a support. Also look at here closely. You can see that now it has got its support, in fact, at around 15,130 levels, 120 levels. Once 15,130 is taken, you can take a support for around, target for around 15,100, and then 15,080. Below that, it will break significantly. On the upside, once 15,230 is taken, probably we might see a good rise on the upside towards 15,320 levels. Looking at the hourly time frame, yes, similar formation. However, lower highs, indicating that probably we might see a drop in this candle, which will try to take it towards 15,100, and then might follow with further red candles, which might try to take it towards 15,000 and below levels. So we have seen the now look at the daily chart. Daily charts already seen. Now let's come back to the indicators part. Now indicators on the daily charts, you can see almost trading at the bottom of the channels and the bands available and below 20, 50, 100 moving average. Now this zone between you can see here 15,500 to 16,000 is too much cluttered. Any breakout beyond this zone definitely will be a good indication for a bullish reversal. However, till the time it is below that, probably now if it breaks 15,000, then only we can expect it to drop towards 14,950, in fact 14,900 and 800 levels. Else it might try to retrace a bit towards 15,320 and then towards 15,400 levels. Now look at the daily stochastic. Daily stochastic, you can see clearly oversold levels. Probably we might see a reversal here. If this crosses over, then we might see a reversal. So second green candle we have to await on the 4-hour charts, and it is on a sell zone in a daily chart also. It is oversold. Daily chart MACD lines are in a sell zone, almost hitting the bottom on RSI also. Now let's have a look at the indicators on the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you will find that there is a support available now at around, see this here. I think this zone is primarily important for us, and at the same time 15 to 30 is important. Beyond that, we will again look forward to 15 to 80 and then 15.3. Probably we might see a good break towards 15. See this zone at 15.320 here, we might see a strong resistance. Once it breaks this, probably the next target is towards 15,400 and 15,500 levels. And on the downside, definitely 15,000 should provide a stronger support, breaking which we might see a good drop. The DPO is trying to enter into buy zone, but right now into a sell zone right now. The 4-hour stochastic almost trading at bottom but trying to reverse from here, and there is a bullish crossover on MACD on a 4-hour chart. Now that is important. Now this crossover means probably we might see a bullish breakout, and hence my target once 15 to 30. So probably we might see a bullish breakout, hence 15 to 30 and 15 280, 320 is the target. 15,320 can be seen. Beyond that, I'll be looking forward for it to achieve for 15,410 levels, and in fact can rise well beyond that also. So this is on the 4-hour charts. RSI, let's have a look at the 4-hour RSI also. And on the 4-hour RSI is almost at comfortable levels now. Considering this, let me jump to the levels directly. For the day, I will be bullish on US100 till the time it remains above 15,000 levels. So I think the low has been achieved. See, also we should look at the global indices and US100 performance. US100 almost has shed 10%. You can say the high is at around 16,600 plus levels it is seen, and since then it has dropped almost 10%, while most of the indices failed to do so, barring Japan and Hang Seng. Rest of the indices are still at very comfortable levels, hence probably the earning seasons might bring a little bounce back. And today also we might see a little bounce back on US100, where beyond 15 to 30 we might see a good this is a good level to buy. Here you can let me try to draw once again. So the level to buy is at around 15 to 30. Once 15 to 30 is taken, you can definitely go long. My next target 15 to 80, 15 320, and then we can expect. Now see, 15 350 is little resistance where we might get a little resistance there. Then 15 410 can be achieved. Beyond that, anything is a bonus. 15,500 plus can be seen if it continues to rise. Maybe not today, then tomorrow possibly we might see these levels. Now on the flip side, what will happen if it breaks? The level to sell is at around 15,120. Now once 15,120 is taken, you can expect it to drop towards 15,100, and once 15,100 is taken, the next target, the next support level is at around 15,060 and then 15,000. Now you can take a shot at 15,120 and drop below remain on a sell side on the downside, you can expect 15100 060 to provide a support. Definitely 15000 is a stronger support for the day. If 15000 is taken, you can directly remain short for 14950 and then towards 14900. In fact, can go well below towards 14800 also. There is no limit on the downside, there is no limit on the upside as well. However, I am bullish. I will expect it to give a breakout towards 15320 and 15400 levels on US100. Now let's move towards US30. US30 at 35 172 175 levels. This is a 4-hour chart. On a 4-hour chart, you can see this was a bullish candle. This is the retracement candle. Now it is time to remain bullish on US30. Now if it breaks this zone at 35 100, then only I will recommend you to go short. Else probably it might try to give the same rise between 35,000 to 35 170, and similar candle we might see, that is at around 35 170 to 350. So a probable target of 35 350 and 35 400. In fact, it can pair up the drop till 35 500 also. So a probable bullish move on US30 can also be seen. That is what it appears on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. Similar formation on 3-hour charts also. Minor retracement. However, once it breaks 35,000, remember, if it breaks 35,000, that is the level to go short. You can expect it to break significantly towards 34,800 and in fact 34,700 levels, which might provide a very strong support, and then 34,600 should also come into picture. On the flip side, breaking this zone at 35,300, probably we might see a strong reversal. See, 35,300, till the time it remains above 35 100 levels, one can expect 35,300 probably to be seen, and then it might head towards 35,420 and in fact can head plus levels also. Looking at the 2-hour charts, trying to consolidate here, a breakout candle has to be there, and probably once it breaks beyond 35,200 2030 zone, definitely we can expect 35,300 and then 35,410 levels on the downside. Once it breaks 35,000, one can remain short, one can expect it to drop significantly. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts also, trading sideways. Either it has to break this box to go down significantly towards 34,700 and 34,600 levels, or it has to break on the upside towards 35,400 to 35,300 levels. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will find that see, this is also similar formation. You can clearly see. Now see, it has to break this zone at 35 to 50, and once 35 to 50 is taken, definitely it will rise significantly towards 35 500 plus levels. On the downside, once 34 970 950, rather I will say 34 950 is taken, it will definitely break towards 34 700 levels, almost 250 points on stake. And on the upside, if it breaks 35 250, definitely there will be a good rise. We can see, we can expect 35 310 to provide a little resistance, then 35 400, and then 35 close to 520 levels can be seen on US30. Now this is just on the daily, hourly and minor time frame chart. Now let's have a look at the indicators on the same charts. Looking at the indicators on the same charts, you can find that see, on the daily charts, here is a resistance zone available from the 100 moving average, simple and exponential, at 35,600 levels. You can see here the red and the golden lines, 35,600 and 700 levels. Breaking this zone only, we can expect that it is a bullish reversal. Else, till the time it is below that, we can expect that it might trade into bearish zone, because it is right now below 20/50 moving average. Also at the same time, you can see the support available here at 34 950 levels. Below that, definitely there will be a good break, and on the downside, the next support level will come into 34 700 and 34 600 levels. You can see the DPO is in sell zone. Probably it has to reverse strongly to enter into a buy zone. The stochastic on daily charts is oversold. Probably it has to show a couple of green candles to crossover and enter into a buy zone. And the daily charts, MACD lines are divergent strongly here, and this indicates that yes, there is hardly there is any strength, and the buyers are not there. Once they start trying to converge, then only we can say that yes, it is trying to enter into bullish zone. Also look at the RSI, almost touched the oversold levels and now trying to reverse. Probably we might expect a reversal today. Now let's see what is there on the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, similarly, you can find that there is a support available here at around 35,100, and once 35,100 is taken, then we can expect it to drop towards 35,000 and then below levels. On the upside, there is a resistance at 35,200 and 250 zone. Once this is taken, you can expect it to rise sharply towards 35,200, 8350 and 400 levels also. So this is on the 4-hour charts. Now looking at the DPO is in sell zone. The stochastic is almost at the bottom, trying to reverse. The MACD lines are about to cross over here. So probably once a strong bullish breakout candle appears, then they might cross over, and again for few candles US30 might remain in a buy zone. And right now it is oversold on a RSI, not oversold but near bottom on a RSI part also. Considering this, let me jump to the levels directly, which you all are waiting for. And some of you directly skip the levels and directly skip the video and come to the levels to look out for what I given the levels to trade for. But remember friends, if you not watch the video, definitely you will not understand that why I am giving those levels and what is the reason behind this. At least some psychology definitely I try to put it, not the complete hard work which I do at back end, but yes, some part of it definitely I try to throw. So please watch the video completely. That will help you to understand how to analyze charts, and to understand it better, you can join my sessions also. You can join my mentorship class. That will definitely benefit you. Now reach out to me via Telegram or email ID. Both are mentioned in the description. Join my Telegram channel. Definitely that will be of help to you in deciding the future or deciding the markets. So now let's have a look at the charts. Look at the levels. Only buy I will recommend is that 35,210, where you can expect the next support or next resistance at around 35,250. Beyond 35,250, you can expect it will definitely try to rise strongly towards 35,318 and 35,350. Once it remains above this zone at 35,350, directly landing towards 35,440 and 35,500, rather 35,510. Now see, probably it might try to act bullish. It has to break this zone at 35,250. Once 35,250 is taken, definitely there will be a strong bullish breakout towards 35,320, 350, and in fact 400 plus levels. On the flip side, if it breaks 35,100, you can take or initiate a short position. The nearest support will be available at 35,040, just 60 points. In fact, it can reverse from there. Then directly it will be looking forward to 35,000. In fact, if 35,000 is taken, the next support is at around 35,950. Now remember, if 35,950 is taken today, anytime, any point of time, you will definitely see it hitting 34,700 and 34,600 levels. So don't forget to remain short if it breaks 35,950. However, I expect that probably we might see a little reversal on US30 also, where we can expect it to head towards 35,320, 350 levels probably. But we have to trade and respect the levels. Any drop below 35,100, you can enter a short. Any rise beyond 35,210, probably we can enter a long. Also remember, 34,950 is the level beyond which we will expect it to drop significantly. Till that time, it can reverse, and a probable trading zone between 34,950 or 35,000 to 35,320, 350 can be also seen. So almost 350-400 points of swing today, and trade accordingly. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.